how can we present the exalted status of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to the non-Muslim communities?
Well, I think this is very important, especially given the circumstances surrounding the situation. I think we should have a three-pronged strategy. First is to do with the ulama, our leadership, of course. Two, the governments. And three, the people in general, the Muslim Ummah in general. As far as the ulama are concerned, I think the ulama should learn not only the latest languages of every non-Muslim country. We should send people there. We should use the media, the social media, whatever means possible to present and to create awareness about the Prophet ﷺ in the best way possible. That would be a great impact in academics, in universities, on different programs on television. Whatever means can be used by the ulama must be used. The second thing we should do, or we need to do, is the governments. The governments, we have about 60 Muslim governments, and we have 135 other governments in the world, countries in the world. So we have 60 ambassadors of Muslim countries who are in 135 or so countries. If every ambassador takes upon himself of every country to have a seminar or a workshop or a campaign of awareness every month, just once, we'll be busy for 60 months in every Muslim country. There will be hardly anyone left in this world who will not have heard the name of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in a good light. That name will become a hallmark of piety and of kindness and the way it should be. There's big impact this will have, inshallah. The third thing is the general public, the Muslims in general. What we need to do is through our behavior, through our dealings with others, that we become a nation so respected that whoever looks at us, whoever sees us, whoever interacts with Muslims will be bound to say that if this nation, if these people are so good and so nice, how great would be the Prophet that they follow. This is my advice, this three-pronged strategy.